Hi, welcome to this Flussos tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a flow. I'm already logged in, and starting a flow has been made as simple as possible. Your list of flows appears on the first screen after you log in, and from here you can select from the library any flow you would like to start. I'm going to select one. Now, starting a flow creates a permanent number tag of that flow for future identification. So it is critical in this subject line to enter a subject unique and identifiable in the future for you and your colleagues. Once that is entered, you click Start to trigger the first step of the flow. As each step is completed, the user or team responsible for the next step is automatically notified via email. In another video, I show you how to add users to the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at hello@flussos.com or support@flussos.com. Again, that's hello@flussos.com or support@flussos.com. We can schedule a live demo with you and show you how it works for your business. Thank you very much.